Hello mga besh! Another day, another vlog. But this is a long overdue vlog. Ito yung trip ko last year sa Sydney, Australia. Pero tara, samahan nyo pa rin ako. Balikan natin ang aming Sydney Princess Cruises experience. Welcome to Sydney, Australia! This time nakasakay na kami sa boat at nag-iikot lang kami sa Sydney. This is Sydney Opera House. This is a famous venue performing arts center in Sydney, Australia, recognized a masterpiece of 20th century architecture and a UNESCO World Heritage Site, designed by a Danish architect Tord Olsen, opened in 1973. Nung una ko siyang nakita guys, gusto ko talagang umiyak sa sobrang ganda. OA na ka OA. Pero yun talaga ang totoo. Imagine sa libro lang naman natin ito nakikita nung bata pa tayo. Pero ngayon, eto, andito na ako. I am just so blessed and happy na na-experience ko to. Thank you, IHG, for the opportunities. And also kay God for making these things all possible. So, yun, pag sinamahan nyo lang talaga ng sipag at tiyaga sa trabaho, everything is possible. At syempre, hindi magpapatalo dyan ang Sydney Harbour Bridge. The Sydney Harbour Bridge is a steel arch bridge in Sydney, Australia. This is famous for its iconic design and views, alongside with the Sydney Opera House. And the bridge completed last 1932. So again, kung pupunta kayo ng Sydney, Australia, huwag niyong kalimutang isama to sa inyong mga pupuntahan. Again, this is your Beshing Gala, so don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Until next time, bye!